Here we have a couch where there was an accident, and although I tried to clean it with conventional cleaners, even using some of the store-bought odor destroying materials, let's just say, the stuff you spray in the air on the surface, it wasn't able to get the bad smell or that trace smell of urine out of the sofa. So now we're going to try a professional strength product from Woodwind called Oxy Pur, specifically designed to get rid of urine by destroying it chemically. As this was the primary area of the spill, I'm going to apply the Oxy Pur very liberally onto the surface, fully wetting it. And although the surface material has been cleaned away, the Oxy Pur is going to react with what's deeper in the cushion and the source of the continued malodors. And you gotta let it sit 5 minutes before you try and remove it. It needs time to do its job. I used a good 3/4 of a bottle here, so don't be surprised when you got this kind of problem that you're gonna go through quite a bit of material.